Standard First, English Medium, Subject Mathematics. Lesson number 23. Introduction and Writing of 11 to 20. You are introducing to numbers 10. Just before 1 is tens and 0 is unit in 10. Children, do you know Ganpati Bappa? Durvas are given to Ganpati Bappa. You know it? Yes, Bappa likes Durva. A bunch of Durvas given to Bappa. This bunch is a mix of 11 Durvas. 11 means 10 and 1. Take a bunch of 10 and take 1 unit for making 11. 1 tens and 1 unit means 11. We can make bundle of 10 and keep in unit remaining 1. 10 plus 1 equals 11. 1 10 and 1 unit equal to 11. Also, 10 plus 1 equals 11. 10 plus 2 equals 12. 1 10 and 2 unit equals 12. Also, 11 plus 1 equals 12. 10 plus 3 equals 13. 1 10 and 3 unit equals 13. Also, 12 plus 1 equals 13. 10 plus 4 equals 14. 1 10 and 4 units equals 14. Also, 13 plus 1 equals 14. 10 plus 5 equals 15. 1 10 and 5 unit equals 15. Also, 14 plus 1 equals 15. 10 plus 6 equals 16. 1 10 and 6 units equals 16. Also, 15 plus 1 equals 16. 10 plus 7 equals 17. 1 10 and 7 units equal 17. Also, 16 plus 1 equals 17. 10 plus 8 equals 18. 1 10 and 8 units equals 18. Also, 17 plus 1 equals 18. 10 plus 9 equals 19. 1 10 and 9 unit equals 19. Also, 18 plus 1 equals 19. 10 plus 10 equals 20. 2 10 equals 20. Also, 19 plus 1 equals 20. Standard First, English Medium,